Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Do you like peanut butter? Do you like the kind with crunchy peanut bits or the creamy kind? We love peanut butter on bread. And did you know that peanuts are a legume that has many benefits for our health? So if you're adding both peanuts and sugar-free peanut butter to your diet, this is a great way to reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease because they contain resveratrol, a substance that's also found in wine and is an excellent antioxidant that helps repair damage to the heart muscle. Also, peanuts contain good fats that help transport cholesterol from the tissues to the liver, which reduces the risk of heart disease. They fight anemia because they contain folic acid and iron, which stimulates the formation of blood cells such as red blood cells. Control cholesterol levels because it prevents LDL cholesterol from being deposited in cells, reducing bad cholesterol, which is harmful to health. Prevention of type 2 diabetes because peanuts contain a good fat. They help to keep blood sugar levels stable, preventing the rise in blood sugar levels that can lead to the onset of type 2 diabetes. It also promotes muscle recovery and development, protects bone health and the nervous system, reduces the risk of baby malformations during pregnancy, and improves mood. Amazing, isn't it? To enjoy all these benefits, it's recommended to eat peanuts in their natural state, with or without shell, minimally processed, such as peanut spreads without sugar and spices. This caution is necessary because ultra-processed peanuts usually contain saturated and hydrogenated fats that are harmful to the arteries of the heart. In addition, ultra-processed foods usually contain little fiber, vitamins, and minerals. But how many peanuts can you eat per day? As we've already mentioned, peanuts have a very high caloric value. There are 600 calories in just 100 grams. The medical recommendation is to eat a maximum of 30 grams of peanuts per day. This corresponds to about a closed hand or 1 tablespoon. So be careful when you snack so you don't exceed the recommendation and end up eating a calorie bomb, okay? Choose some healthy snacks for your get-togethers with friends and avoid Japanese peanuts. This version of the bean contains a huge amount of sodium. For diabetics, the only recommendation is to consume them in moderation. As we've seen, peanuts have many benefits. Whether for disease prevention or health promotion, peanuts are a food that shouldn't be missing from our diet. If you want to eat healthy, you should check your peanut consumption. Are you consuming peanuts in conjunction with drinks or foods that are certainly not good for your health? Avoid consuming peanuts as a snack among friends because then you'll consume a much larger amount than recommended, not to mention the alcoholic beverages and fried foods that can be included. Did you want to know the benefits of peanuts? If you already knew them, tell me in the comments. And don't keep this information to yourself. Help your friends and family by sharing this tip with them. I wish you good health. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.